Eggs are such a fantastic ingredient to have in the house. They're such a fantastic form of protein. Super good for you. Really versatile. And today I am making a veggie loaded omelette. I actually never used to be able to cook eggs, and today, still to this day, I actually can't cook, don't even know how to cook scrambled eggs. Well, I kind of know, but they never turn out right, so I hand that over to the family. But one thing I've absolutely mastered is a really, really good omelette, and that's what I'm going to show you today. My name is Nixon from Wellbeing, and I'm all about healthy eating made easy. An omelette is such a great way to, load up with your veggies, but also really great lunch, if you're at home, or you can make it ahead of time and then reheat it at work, or a light dinner. So and loading it up with heaps of other ingredients is, sorry about that, I don't ever have, I've never had a call coming through a demo before. Anyway, so I'm putting in a couple of eggs. I am then adding a little bit of milk. So I love flavoring things up with herbs. So I've got some oregano, mustard, whole grain mustard, fantastic. And to flavor things up, I've put some pesto in there. Normally, if I've got basil in the garden, then I will use fresh pesto. Now, I'm really, really upping the content with my protein. I've got some blanched edamame beans here. So I'm about half a cup, really, really loving those. I'm always looking at other forms to add protein in. So we'll give that a little bit of a stir. If you haven't grabbed my free ebook, What Should I Eat? Your guide to feeling more nourished and satisfied. I've put that together because I know so many women struggle with what forms of protein should we be including in our diet, how much protein, how much carbohydrates, what all the different food groups that go together to keep you satisfied. So that's why I put that ebook together. If you haven't got that, head to wickedwellbeing.com/new and that /eat. I've put the link above and you'll be able to grab that ebook. I'm putting some mushrooms in. Sorry, I just got a bit distracted by that call coming in. And then finely chopped up spinach. I feel like I've got a little bit too much here. So in the meanwhile, I've got my pan heating up and I've just got a little bit of oil in that and stirring this around. Now what I do, this absolutely smells delicious. When it's in summer, I will put in some grated courgette, I will put in some tomato. Like, I'm very seasonal with the vegetables that I use. So you can see that's quite a, it's not too thin. So I'm pouring that into my pan. Now my trick to not have to flip it, because I load so many veggies into it, I then put it, so I cook the bottom for like 2-3 minutes, and then I've got my grill going and I put it under the grill and cook the top, which so therefore I don't need to flip it, because flipping is like quite a major. So that is how I do a vegetable loaded quiche omelette, but adding other ingredients into it to really up that protein and up that vegetable, that content. So firstly, if this recipe is coming out on my email list tomorrow. If you, in my newsletter, if you're not on my email list, then head to wickedwellbeing.com/new. I'll put it in the comments box below. If you haven't got, and if you're already on my list, don't worry about it. If you haven't got my free ebook, What Should I Eat? Your guide to being more nourished and satisfied, head to wickedwellbeing.com/eat. It's in the comments box above. In the description above the video. My God, I feel so tongue-tied today. Anyway, that's okay. I'm still here. Now, I will see you for Thermomix Thursday tomorrow at 12:30. And I am showing you how you can make the different forms of sugar. So from sugar, you can make caster sugar and icing sugar. And it's such a cool technique. So I don't need to buy all the different sugars anymore. Because my kids still do, they love to do their baking. But what's awesome is that you can do powdered coconut sugar as well. Okay, thanks so much for joining me, and sorry for the little bit of a disruption, and I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow, otherwise next week. See ya.